Hello, this is Steve Cramer, business librarian at UNC Greensboro with a short introduction to our best database for U.S. consumer marketing research, namely Mintel. Let me begin by showing you how to get to Mintel. So from the campus homepage, we can go to campus links in the top right and libraries. And from this page, we can go to databases and find Mintel in alphabetical order, or go to research guides by subject. And for example, we can go to the marketing guide, where there is a box for market reports, and you'll find Mintel there. Also, just quickly, by the way, Euromonitor, which is international, does cover the United States or other countries too. And also above this, Simply Analytics is a database often used in conjunction with Mintel. So Mintel will see best practices for consumer research, and also who are the best customers nationally for this, like what's the profile. And then come here and measure the size of that best customer demographic base in Greensboro or any city in the United States, for example. So often I use Mintel with other products, but let's just focus on Mintel now from here on out. We pay for this. It's free to you as students, thanks to your tuition dollars, by the way. If you, however, wanted to pay for one of these reports on your own with a credit card, it would cost you $4,000. So these are very expensive reports that you have free access to. And they cover different aspects of market research. There's categories. This is the main list of products and markets they cover. And for example, food, you can see some examples and some subtopics come up as well. We'll do coffee in a minute for my search. It only covers the United States, as I mentioned. You can also research by trends, such as identity and experiences and surroundings. Demographics, also another choice. You can browse reports that are focusing on, say, millennials, for example. Also, we have multicultural reports, which is what they call reports focusing on segmentations like race, for example, African Americans and Hispanic status as well. So those are just some different ways you can search this product or browse it. And finally, there are different content types, reports I'm going to look at today. That's the main kind of content I recommend students use when I work with them on the research projects. But there's also trends and insights and news items as well. Anyway, for example, instead of browsing, I'm going to keyword search coffee. You may get suggestions. Otherwise, you can just search and see what hits you get. I'm going to go to this coffee report from 2022. Notice right up front, we can download the entire report as a PDF or as slides, or get overviews, or get all the data, all the statistical data in spreadsheet format as well. So that's a nice feature. Most reports in Mintel have 5 topics or 5 main chapters: overview, market, consumer, brand, company, and data, each of which has subtopics. And the chapters include combinations of graphics, infographics, charts, graphs, and also analysis. So here we have, what drives people's purchasing behavior for coffee, whether it's by type of roasting or by price, or whether flavor and other things impact them most often. You will often see data organized by segmentation, so race or age. In this case, it's race and Hispanic status, for example. Gender data comes up quite often too, and so on. So really rich package of chapters and subchapters. So what influences you in your decision making, like what media types and what other kind of influencers exist in your life that drive you to coffee, including breaking it down by age, for example, or by generations. So a lot of good data in this report, or any other reports you get from Mintel. Finally, there's some old reports are listed if you want to go back in time. And at the bottom, you'll see some related topics such as tea and marketing to Hispanic millennials, for example, on-premise restaurant technology. So it's easy to sort of browse and see what else might be relevant for your topic here in Mintel. That's it. If I can support you, please let me know. Back on my research guide, you can see underneath my picture, email link, a scheduling tool, chat boxes, etc. So let me know what I can do to support your marketing research. And thank you for watching this video.